Alright folks, welcome back to Two Brothers Cooking. Today we are going to be cooking a beef stir fry. Here are a list of the ingredients. 1 package of ready to cook jasmine rice. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1/4 cup or 4 ounces of orange juice. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 cups of stir-fry vegetables. 8 ounces of sirloin sliced into 2-inch strips. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, first we're going to start off by putting the olive oil in the pan. We already have our pan hot, so it's ready to rock and roll. With this, you're going to add your beef. Salt. Your ground ginger. So this, we're letting the meat brown a little. So the way to get it browning is set your meat and let it cook for about 1 minute. Now this recipe is for a quick and easy meal for your family when you get home. Cooking time and everything is probably about 10 minutes total, so it's a quick and easy meal for the busy mom or the busy family. All right, so like I said, this in the pan, we have some sirloin. All right. You hear that nice sizzle? That's what you want to hear. All right. Now, doesn't that look good already? So once the meat is browned, and since it's cut into small strips, it doesn't take long at all for it to brown. So once it comes up to this nice and brown color, you're going to add your stir-fry vegetables. Now you can pick these stir-fry vegetables up at your local store, Walmart or H-E-B. This particular one has bell peppers, sugar snap peas, broccoli, water chestnuts, and carrots. So once that's cooking, you're going to want to add your soy sauce, your oyster sauce, and your orange juice. All right, now you're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, we'll be back after 5 minutes. All right, so after 5 minutes, your sauce is gonna reduce a little. You stir all your vegetables around. All right. So what you're looking for now is you're gonna get a nice sauce built on the bottom of your pan. And since you do have orange juice in here, now is the time where you do not want to let it sit for too long, because it will caramelize to the bottom of the pan. So you do want to stir it. All right, folks. Now we turn our heat off. And when we come back, we will have this plated up for y'all. So as you can see, it's making a nice sauce on the bottom of the pan. And that's what you want. All right, so we're just gonna let this go for 1 more minute, and then it'll be ready to plate up. All right, folks, now here's your final product. Doesn't that look good? This is plated over the white rice and garnished with sesame seeds. Doesn't that look yummy? Don't forget, if you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. Y'all have a good day now.